What happened tonight? Well, we're keeping an eye on some thunderstorms really between now and 10 p.m. There'll be rain after 10 p.m., but I think the strongest storms are going to be that time period. What I'm most concerned with, damaging winds. And we saw that last time where these strong winds come roaring through. A lot of lightning and downpours as well. The strongest cells look like they'll be north and west of 95. As far as what's happening, you'll see the humid air is flowing up. There is this wedge of less humid air out here to the west. That's going to eventually get in here tomorrow afternoon. But we've got to squeeze all of this through first. That's why we're tracking some strong thunderstorms. And thunderstorm watch boxes go all the way from, well, New Hampshire, Vermont, all the way down into central Virginia. So there's a large line of severe thunderstorm potential for tonight. What we're looking at right now are these cells just off to our west. They're out through Berkshire County right now. New severe thunderstorm warning just issued for Berkshire County. This one almost going into orange until 5:15. That's the line right there that's creating this. And again, this is going to have a history of some very gusty winds with it, a lot of lightning and the downpours as well. This is all moving to the east now, northeast at about 30 miles an hour. So it's kind of traveling in this direction, which means you're going to eventually get more of this pushing through. So there's the warning boxes right now that you see, really from Pittsfield to Great Barrington, the strongest cell. But that one right there, just north of Worthington, very powerful right now. Wouldn't you be surprised at some hail with that one? As you go to the north, it is lesser amounts, but these storms will kind of be following that line up and then sweeping their way eastward over towards Newburyport, Portsmouth. It'll take a little while for that to happen. The strongest cells right now are actually right here in Connecticut. That's where we're looking at possibly seeing some rotation down there. So what's going to happen? Well, between now and 6 o'clock, I think that line is going to be pushing its way into Worcester. Then 7 o'clock, it's along 495. Now notice how it kind of shows a little sign of weakening. This is what we saw last night too. These will come closer to the coast. They'll weaken a little bit, but still some pretty good downpours going on around 8 o'clock. But notice how this is coming through faster than last night. Last night it went till 10, 11 o'clock at night. In this case, really after about 9, 10 o'clock, we're done with the strong stuff, but then there'll be scattered showers which will be hanging around overnight and even into tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, you may start with a few showers, but by tomorrow afternoon, hang on, here comes the lower humidity. It's going to be warm and sunny, but at least the humidity will be gone for a little while. Here's the way it looks then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, 86 degrees after some early showers and then some afternoon sunshine. Friday, very pleasant, 86 degrees, sunshine, comfortable humidity. In fact, the humidity is going to remain comfortable really all the way through the weekend. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 80s, a very summer forecast without the muggy weather. As you point out, Ben, we've had muggy weather since the 4th of July. Next chance for rain doesn't even show up until the Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. Hopefully you get some beneficial rain out of that tonight, but not the strong thunderstorms like we saw last night.